Holy what? Babe. Babe. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with your new favorite series, the Soul Steals Hypebeast Mystery Box Unboxing. Before we get into today's episode, I have some really crazy news for you guys. So I guess it's a little bit presumptuous of me to think that the Untied Ohana will get to 100,000 subs. Like, I never thought that would happen before, but I think it now. So because of that, I'm trying to plan for a huge 100,000 subscriber giveaway. I mean, again, it's a little bit early per se, but I wanted to plan in advance so I know that there was something good waiting for it for you guys, because there's no Untied Hawaii without you guys. So I wanted to do something big, and what ended up happening is like way better than what I was originally planning. It's crazy. So right now we're going to be talking about huge giveaway information, guys. So kind of bear with me. Let me tell you about what happened, and then we'll get into the hype box. So my thought of what I wanted to do is I wanted to give you guys hype boxes, basically. So mystery boxes full of Hypebeast stuff. But I didn't want it to be stuff that you guys have already seen on camera. I didn't want to be like, you know, repacking what I already have and then giving it to you guys. I wanted to give you guys something fresh, something new, something that you guys have never seen before, and, you know, make it truly mysterious in that aspect. So I reached out to Soul Steals because obviously Soul Steals is the best Hypebeast mystery box out there. And it is usually membership only. So I was trying to, like, you know, get in touch with them, and I was going to ask, hey man, is it possible if I buy boxes from you guys in advance and then have a giveaway done, and then you guys send it out from your location basically to whoever the winner is? You know, can you help me out with that at least? And what ended up happening is kind of ridiculous, guys. It's insane. So my original thought was I was going to give you guys two $500 Hypebeast mystery boxes, paid for myself, and then shipped out to you guys, and you know, that's that. So the good folks at Soul Steal said, yeah, that's a cool idea, we don't mind helping you with that. But they had a suggestion. They said, why not give away 3 more hype boxes courtesy of Soul Steals? Like, what? There is not 2 hype boxes that you guys are gonna get. There is gonna be 5 total Hypebeast mystery boxes, and that's not even the end of it, guys. It gets even more crazy. So what goes along with that is Soul Steals is offering to give you guys a 25% discount basically by utilizing the code UNTIED25, and that discount goes to a membership fee. Soul Steals obviously is a membership website. It's $19.99 a month, and you get access to this website where you can buy these Hypebeast mystery boxes, shoes at like great deals, and it's just, you know, there's a lot of steals and deals on there. They actually have a lot of different stuff going on all the time. Raffles, they're giving away shoes for retail basically by entering like this little lottery. A lot of stuff going on, and it keeps growing and expanding. Anyway, it's usually $20 a month, but with that 25% off basically, what you're going to be paying is $15 a month, and that's recurring. It's not a one-time thing. You're going to be paying $15 a month instead of the 20. So that's a great deal. I have never seen that in the entire time that I've been a member for like the last year and a half, so that's huge. If there was ever a time to buy, it's right now. So the contest rules are going to be really easy. The first one you guys have already done a lot in the past. It's utilizing the link in the description, gleam.io, and entering that way. This is the free option per se, and this is going to be good for 1 Hypebeast mystery box if you guys win. That's how you guys will have access to this 1 box. The other 4 we'll be talking about in a little bit, but go to gleam.io, you click those +1s next to all of those entries. If you guys are already subbed, if you guys are already following these people, just make sure you hit it again anyway, and it still enters you anyway. So do all of that, and you'll be entered for 1 of the Hypebeast mystery boxes, free of charge, completely free. So take advantage of that. It takes like literally 15 to 20 seconds. The problem with this is that because it's free, there's going to be a lot of people entering, so your chances aren't very good. And I know you guys are asking, okay, so what about the other 4 boxes that you promised? Those 4 boxes will be utilizing that Untied25 code. So what happens is you guys buy your membership, and even if you guys already have a membership, you can cancel your one now, the $20 one you're paying now, and you can actually use the Untied25 code, so you'll be paying $15 a month moving forward. So it's a really great deal for the people that already have memberships that watch Untied Hawaii. So it works out great for you guys. And when you enter through this method, you actually get added onto like a list. So be cutting up those entries, putting them into a hat, drawing from there, and that's how you guys will win the other 4 boxes. And trust me, because it costs money to enter this way, $15, literally just $15. You can cancel anytime. I'll put out all of the like full directions in the description below. But basically that's what you're going to be doing, and because it actually costs money on like the free option, your chances go way up because there's a lot less people entering. So seriously, if there's ever a time you guys have been thinking about doing soul steals, now is the time. Now is the time. Now I know what you guys are thinking. It finally happened. Untied Hawaii got sponsored by Soul Steals. No, it's unfortunate, but no, I have not been sponsored by Soul Steals, and you know what? That's okay, because they're doing something a lot better, and in my opinion, I really like this a lot more. The money that I make from selling these Hypebeast mystery boxes is already really good money. I don't need any kind of like sponsorship on top of that. It's not necessary. You make a lot of money selling these things, and that's why I do it, because I make profit off of them. But what was really cool is just that Soul Steals and Soul Supremacy, they're just really good people, and they actually like listen to you and hear you out every single email. So I reached out with this great idea, and they came back with like 100 times better idea. So thank you guys so much for making this like a really, really special giveaway, because obviously I can't give away $2,500 worth of mystery boxes myself, but I'm super stoked that you guys can help me with this. So thank you guys at Soul Steals. Thank you so much for helping out the Untied Ohana. Let's make it a big one, guys. Anyway, all those directions will be in the description below. I know it's kind of long-winded, and I know you guys want to get into the Hypebeast mystery box, but I was just way too excited. I need to get that off my chest because I'm stoked for you guys. Like, it's gonna be sick. So be sure to enter and utilize that code Untied25 if you guys want to cop that 25% off membership. So how about enough of that finally, and let's just get into this box, right? Let's do it. Okay, so now that we got that insane giveaway out of the way, this is the actual prize. This is the actual video. A $2,000 Hypebeast mystery box. You already know what it is. Let's just open it up now. It's like super dirty in this room. Ugh. Alright, so I'll leave that over there. $2,000. We haven't had a $2,000 box in a while. Super stoked. Let's see what we got. So first thing out, and the first thing that I see is really dope. This is a Cause Smalls Lie figure. These do have resale value, like great resale value. I think it's like over $200 or $300, somewhere in that range. What's cool is you can actually sell these online now, so it makes it really, really easy to move. And again, it's just a really nice piece overall. I know it's kind of hard to see in that like light, but it's just a sad Cause figure with like a Pinocchio kind of nose. That's why it's called Small Lie. Liar, Pinocchio, nose grows. Do I need to explain that? I don't think I do. Anyway, next piece. This next one. Whoa! All right. So this next piece that we got is dope. It's a size large, and it's actually that Nas tee. So you guys can see right here, it's the black colorway, and it's that photo tee with your homie Nas. Pretty nice piece, and if you guys didn't know, these go for a lot of money, like I think over $300. And I always kind of wanted one in black. I actually have a white one on the website right now, but this black one, maybe I'll end up keeping. I wear a lot more black, obviously, than white, so we'll see. Man, that's a good way to start the box, man. This is why I love the $2,000 boxes, because there's so much diversity in it, you know? Let's see what else we got. Oh, okay. So we got another photo tee. This one is actually the Michael Jackson tee, though. Sorry, I know it's a little bit bright, but you can see the King of Pop, Michael Jackson, on this white shirt. And I'm not really certain of what these are going for now. I thought this was gonna be a really huge hit, and I think it still will be. Like, if you hold this, obviously, it will have the value of a Nas tee over time, just because, I mean, it's freaking Michael Jackson, man. Like, it's gonna have great value. So whatever it says on the screen, if you wait, like with most Supreme stuff, it'll actually go up over time, but still really great value for the right now. All right, so I do see a pair of shoes in here. It's kind of early to see the shoe. Usually the shoe is the last thing in here. But this one is a size 11, and yeah, this box. You guys should probably already know what it is already. So these are a pair of the Tinker Hatfield 3s. It's a pretty cool shoe for a 3. It's a great concept. It was one of like the original designs Tinker Hatfield had for the Jordan 3. Which was scrapped, but they brought it back because Tinker's the man, and it's still a pretty cool design. So has a Nike swoosh right here, Nike Air, Jumpman on the front, and in the inside it says Tinker Hatfield. So this is actually a pretty nice shoe. Resale value isn't great on this, which is kind of confusing because usually the shoe has the most value, like I just said, for the box, but these I'm pretty sure are going for at retail or like very slightly over retails. I mean, which is still good. It's 200 something bucks, but nothing to get really hyped over, you know? We got 2 more shirts in here, 2 Supreme shirts it looks like. So these aren't Supreme shirts. Well, they are Supreme shirts, but they're not Supreme shirts. You'll see what I mean. So this is a Supreme Supremacy. You guys can see that? Supreme Supremacy shirt. So what's interesting about this, I didn't realize, I thought it was just a shirt that they designed, because I know it's like their own brand of merch, but I didn't know it was actually printed on like Supreme. Like, look at that. They took the blank Supreme shirts that you could have got, like, I think there was a point at Walmart they were selling them for like super low. I think it was Walmart or something like that. So maybe they copped a lot. And they ended up printing on Supreme material, which is dope. And they made this dope design where it's like a box logo, but instead of Supreme, obviously, ripped. supremacy. So really like that concept, and I was actually gonna buy a lot of these shirts anyway, but now it's in a hype box, so that's pretty cool. Life is greater than shoes, established 2010. And you know what? It's like, it's kind of funny because a lot of the times you're like, why do I want to buy like shop merch or even merch from like a YouTuber? Merch plug, Untied shirts still in stock. Check it out in the description below. Shameless plug, shameless plug. Anyway, usually you don't like repping that kind of stuff, but this one is actually hella clean. Like, it's dope. From far away, you're like, damn, that guy got a really cool box logo, but there's some kind of twist on it. And again, it's printed on a freaking Supreme shirt, so even more so, that's wild. I like this. I like this is a great idea. Very cool to have in a hype box. People will say, you know what, that's not cool though, because there's no resale value on that. Honestly, like, I don't care about that part. I'm sure that's just freebies. They do this from time to time. So here's something interesting for you guys. I know you guys never get to see like from a bird's eye view of the box, but this is new. There's a bag over the bottom piece of the box, which is kind of getting me hyped because I've never seen that before. Usually, like I said, the shoe is the last thing on the bottom, but the shoe is in the middle, which is making me think, okay, it's something big, it's something wild. We already have really great resale value, so maybe like a box logo hoodie or something is what I'm gonna guess is in there. I don't know, sorry, I'm just thinking ahead. Let's see what we got. Holy Babe. Babe. Oh my. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, don't look at this. This is literally a box logo sticker taped on top of the Untied merch. So anyway, this is a by any means necessary North Face Supreme collab. It is hot as F in this thing, but look at this. Like, look at this. We're basically the same person now. Basically the same person. I mean, almost the same person, obviously. I'm better than that guy. I could take him. I could take that guy. This is way, way, way better than a box logo hoodie. Way, way better. I was not expecting this at all. I know I swore earlier in the video. I'm sorry. I hope that I figured out how to blurb that out, but for good reason, like for good reason. Look at this thing. And again, it's in dead stock condition, has the tag still attached, North Face. There's not much to say here, guys. You guys know what this is. This is the kind of stuff you guys get in Hypebeast mystery boxes. Like, oh man. And that's why I love the $2,000 boxes, because of stuff like that. That's wild. I'm not sure what the resale value is over here. Honestly, I do not care at this point because I'm gonna keep that one. It is sick. It is freaking dope. I always wanted it so I can match my boy back there. Self-portrait now, basically, you know, got the hair, whatever, Asian. Me and my boy Goku back there. Gonna be matching, oh frick. I don't know what to say. Anyway, I really don't know what to say beyond that, man. My heart's like racing. So yeah, I gotta go drink some water or something. I'm like sweating profusely. I hope I didn't get sweat in there, obviously, but yeah, it's a great come up, and I'm pretty sure that this is the most crazy box we've ever had to date. That's that for this Hypebeast mystery box unboxing, I guess. Sorry it was a longer video, but I needed to talk about that giveaway in depth. And again, if you guys did not already, be sure to enter down below. Be sure to go to soulsteals.com, enter Untied25 when you guys are trying to purchase your membership. The Untied25 code will like end, I think, in a week when this giveaway ends. So after that point, it's gonna go back to $20 basically, and yeah, you'll miss out for probably the rest of the time. Like I said, I haven't seen this happen in a year, so take advantage of it now. Check that out. I'm gonna go freak out, take some pictures with my boy, cry, all that good stuff, you know. It's just a by any means necessary jacket, right? No big deal. It's a big freaking deal. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Okay, yeah, that's it. Anyway, until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!